Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Mustafa and you are watching my tutorial. In the previous video we learned about template and template URL. In this video we will learn about a style and a style URL. So I will strongly recommend you to watch my previous video before this one. I will give link of the template and template URL below in the description. So what actually the style and the style URL is? A style and a style URL help us to apply CSS style in our HTML. So there are two ways, a style and the style URL. The one way is inline style and the other one is external style. In the inline style, we have a styles array and directly inside the styles array, we are writing my CSS code. If we have this CSS code in the multiple line, we will use like this. We will use backticks instead of single or double quotes. In the same way, we can have external CSS file where we will write all the CSS code. We will include that CSS file in the styles URL array. So if you compare styles and the styles URL, in the style we are directly writing CSS code here, and if you come down in the styles URL, we are writing a style in the different file in the app.component.cs file, and we are giving path of app.component.css file in the styles URL array. And you can see that this file is here. And the same CSS code that I have written here in the inline template, I have written here as well. To understand it better, let's flip to Visual Studio Code. This is app.component.ts file, and here you can see that we have a styles URL and the style. So at this point of time, let's remove this style URL. And we will work on the styles. So let's write a simple style. As of now, as you can see that in the template, we have h2 tag with hello world. I will strongly recommend you to watch my previous video to understand what is the difference between template and the template URL. So let's write a simple style for this h2 tag. For this h2, I have written this CSS style and save this file and open in a browser. As you can see, this hello world is getting red. So this I have given a red color. Let's change this red to blue and save this file. And you can see that blue is getting applied to this template. In the same way, you can write n number of as much code as you want. There is no restriction on that. So now let's talk about template URL. So I will take this code, the one I have already copied. So I will copy this file and I will remove this one. As you can see in the style URL, we have path of this file. So let's open this file and paste the code. Just remove this single quote and save this file. Now you can see that we are getting the same color. Let's change this color to pink and save this file. Now come to the browser and you can see that pink is applied. So you can see that how we can use a style and the style URL. What is the difference now between the style and the style URL? If you see the difference, if we use a style like this, we are not getting IntelliGen support as we get here. As we get here in this file, we are getting IntelliGen. But if you use these styles, you will not get IntelliGen. Otherwise, there is no difference from performance point or any other point of view. So whatever you prefer, you can use both of them. But remember, it is always preferable if your CSS is bigger, use style URLs. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, please share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, any question, please write below in the comment box. I will be happy to answer you. Thank you so much.